Today, we're diving into the Rennora Hair Growth Serum, a product designed to target thinning hair and bald spots. But does it really work? Or is it just another scam? Let's find out. Formulated specifically for type 3 and type 4 hex textures, this serum is packed with natural ingredients like peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and stinging nettle. These ingredients are known to promote healthy hair growth and nourish your scalp. Many users have shared their success stories with visible improvements in hair growth and overall texture after consistent use. However, results can vary and not everyone has a great experience. Some customers report minimal or no hair growth despite using it for several months. Few others experience scalp irritation such as dandruff or residue buildup. So, is Rennora a scam? While the results are mixed, the company offers a 120-day money-back guarantee, which means you can test it risk-free. If you're thinking of trying it out, it's a good idea to do a patch test first to make sure it works with your scalp. Renola seems to be a hit for some, but like with any product, it is important to manage your expectations. For more details, check out real user reviews and feel free to ask questions in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.